Hello, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the newest eyeshadow palette from MUA Makeup Academy. And it's this one here. So it's the Kaleidoscope Extra palette. I do believe they had a Kaleidoscope palette, which was probably, I mean, this one's quite bright, but that one was a bit brighter and smaller as well. So this one is a bigger palette, but it is so beautiful. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Obviously a bit like a kaleidoscope. That's really cool. And then inside, this right here is the colour story. So you can see what I mean. You know, it is quite bright. However, we do have some really nice neutral tones in here as well. There's also a white there, you know, to sheer out, blend out if you want to as well. These purples here are so pretty. But yeah, I haven't got a clue what I'm going to do with this. I really don't. I'm not one for bright colours nowadays, but you know, we'll pop in some pops of colour. So I'm not going to swatch all of these because there's a lot of shades here. How many is there? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 shades. That's quite good, isn't it? I will swatch. Let's go for this purple one here, which is Serve. And let's go for the pink next to it, Empower. Oh, that feels really nice actually. And then Pride, we'll take that one. Oh wow, look at that. And let's try Iconic. Yeah, pretty good. So they're all matte shades. I'll do some shimmers as well. So there's that pinky one. There we go, that's better. That's really punchy. It's like really bright, really nice pigment. The purple one. And then that blue one is like that. And then the orange. Yeah, nice. The pink though is definitely like, you know, super pigmented. It did feel slightly different when I swatched it as well. Then we'll go for a few of the shimmers. So let's go for this one here, Kaleidoscope. Pretty. And then we'll try that girl, because these are ones I won't really be using today. Wow, that one's really foiled. And Diva. Oh, that one feels nice. Wow, look at that. Stunning. That's really nice actually. And lastly, we'll try Yes. So that one's like that. That one's one of those a little bit flaky. So we'll go for that one first. That's really pretty actually. So it's one of those, one like that. And then that really beautiful turquoise shade. Nice. And then that one that I said was quite foiled. Yeah. And then lastly, the purpley one. That's pretty as well. So like that, very nice. Right, okay, I've no idea what to do, so let's just have some fun. Let's make it up as we go along, have a little play. So I'm going to start off by going into the shade Rude, which is this really deep, like aubergine purple. And I'm going to be taking that through my crease, but I'm going to try and concentrate just on the outer part here because I want to go in with another colour on the inner. Yeah, that has definitely got some really nice pigment to it. And it's blending out lovely, actually. So as you can see, I'm just trying to concentrate this right on the outer part here. I don't know, I might go in with a brighter one on the inside there. Who knows? That's actually really good. Look at that. That was just one dip as well. I didn't have to go back into the palette at all. And it's not patchy at all, which is really nice, especially for a purple. Really happy with that. Then what I think I'm going to do is take the shade Empower, which was this really nice pink, and I'm going to use that on the, I'm going in not too far in, but to about here. It's got so much pigment that shade has. Don't know if that's too much that I've picked up, you know. I'm being so careful here because I'm aware of how pigmented it is and how bright as well. So I'm going so light-handed here. I seem to have picked up some glitter from somewhere as well. It's probably when I swatched them. There's no glitter in it. It is very matte, but hey ho. Okay, so yeah, that's all right. That's not too bad. I don't like it as much as the purple though, if I'm being honest. I feel like it's gone a little bit patchy, but that could be because I'm well overdue on having my eyebrows done. So I've got loads, I mean, you can't see them because they're so blonde, but I've got loads of eyebrow hairs around here because I'm going away. I'm kind of saving them till last minute, really. But yeah, I mean, it looks nice. Don't get me wrong. Like the two colours in contrast look nice. They're not as different as I thought they were going to be on the lid though. I'm just going to take a bit of the shade Darling, which is this one here. It's a bit of a kind of a nude colour for me anyway, and I'm going to use that on a fluffy brush just to blend out around the edge of that. So just going right around the two shades, just to get rid of any harsh edges. Then I think, oh, shall I go for that green? I like this one, but I don't know if it's going to blend into that purple. We'll try it. So we're going in with this one here. So Equality, really nice. It's like a turquoise green. We'll go onto the outer. Wow, that's really nice. Outer part here. Yeah, I didn't think it would. It's not blended into the purple shade very well. It's almost gone a bit of a blue there, but that's fine. I don't mind that. I just didn't want it to look kind of muddy. It's actually not too bad. Obviously the green isn't as like popping as I hoped it would be, but I was also aware that obviously the green wouldn't blend into the purple properly. So yeah, we do have that kind of gradient effect though. So yeah, we've got this like deep, almost blue shade there that it's created. So, you know, it's not all bad. Right, so we'll take a shimmer next. I'm so tempted to go for that purple, you know, Kaleidoscope, this one here, because it was so pretty. Do you know what I am? So I'm going to take that one on a brush. It's quite tightly packed, this one, so I think I'm probably going to have to go in with my finger as well, but we'll see what we can. Oh wow, do you know what, really nice. I'm going to take this on the front part here. Oh, that's really pretty. It's almost a bit holographic, you know. Really nice. I'm definitely going to build it out with my finger though, just to get a bit more impact from it. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, it's one of those almost wet look shimmers. It's not in the slightest. It's not a cream or anything, but yeah, it gives that effect. What I think I'm going to do, you know, right on the very inner corner here, and I'm just going to drag my brush, so I've just got a bit of the purple on here, but I'm going to drag my brush like that through the crease bit. I am going to take one of the lighter shades, so I think I'm going to go for Expression, which is this champagne gold just here, and we'll try it. So I'm going to start off by using a pencil brush to do the very inner part. We'll go in here, just to get right into the corner there. Then on the pencil brush as well, I'm going to take it, as I say, and almost on the edge of where I've done that purple, just take it through the crease. Never done this before, don't know if it's going to work. That's actually quite cool, isn't it? I actually really like that. Yeah, such fun. So I've just gone ahead and finished off the rest of my makeup, and I'm just going to go underneath slightly. And for that, I think I'm going to take, do Do you know what? I think I'm going to go for NYC. So that's this one here. It is a brown, but it's got a slight kind of deep purple undertone to it as well. Just taking it on this little smudger brush just here. I'm going to concentrate stamping it more on the outer part, and then we'll blend that through. Yeah, can you see it's got like a purple hue to it? So here is the finished look. Yeah, I mean, it's way out of my comfort zone. It really is, these days anyway. I used to do a lot of stuff like this, but these days, you know, I'm quite boring. But no, I mean, it's cute. It is cute. It's very bright, very summery. And yeah, no, I think it's really cool. The palette is lovely though, especially for £12. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but yeah, £12 this palette is. For £24, that's really good, isn't it? But no, there is so much variety in this palette. Obviously, I did go quite bright because I wanted to kind of test it to its full potential. But yeah, I mean, if you wanted to look at these shades, you know, really nice, neutral, everyday, wearable shades. Obviously, you've got your brights in there as well. If you want to just stick to one kind of colour theme, then you've got purples, you've got greens. Yeah, it is really nice. A lovely palette. The matte's very blendable. As I say, I think the problem I had with them today, especially, I don't normally go up this high on my brow, or the top, you know, like the brow bone. I don't normally go up that high. So I think the problem was that my eyebrows are quite overgrown and it was clinging to the hairs. But normally I don't think that would be an issue, because it certainly wasn't an issue on the lid here. And the shimmer's stunning, really beautiful. So as always, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel, until then, thanks for watching. Bye.